Respect is like a mirror. The more you show it to other people, the more it will reflect back on you. Never stop learning because life never stops teaching. 6 rules of life. Number 1. Before you pray, believe. Before you speak, listen. Number 3. Before you spend, earn. Before you write, think. Before you quit, try. And before you die, live. 4 beautiful thoughts of life. 1. Look back and get experience. Look forward and see hope. Look around and find reality. Look within and find yourself. The biggest suspense of life is that you don't know how, who is praying for you and who is playing with you. Definitions of fool: knowing the truth, seeing the truth, but still believing the lies. Yesterday is history. Tomorrow is a mystery. And today is a gift. That's why we call it the present. Present means it's a gift. Never argue with someone who believes their own lies. You have 2 choices: to control your mind or to let your mind control you. Either let your mind to control you or control your mind. Don't believe everything you hear. There are always 3 sides to a story: yours, theirs, and the truth. Never judge people by their past. People learn, people change, people move on. So never judge. It's better to walk alone than with a crowd going in the wrong direction. Everything happens for a reason. Don't question it, trust it. Promise yourself to be so strong that nothing can disturb you. Nothing can disturb your peace of mind. Life is short, time is fast. No replay, no rewind. So enjoy every moment as it comes to you. Live in a present moment. Treat people the way you want to be treated. Talk to people the way you want to be talked to. Respect is earned, not given. A lot of problems in the world would disappear if we talked to each other instead of about each other. Don't carry your mistakes around with you every time. Instead, place them under your feet and use them as a stepping stone. Never regret being a good person to the wrong people. Your behavior says everything about you, and their behavior says enough about them. When you wish good for others, good things come back to you. This is the law of nature. You are strong when you know your weaknesses. You are beautiful when you appreciate your flaws. You are wise when you learn from your mistakes. Satisfied life is a better than successful life, because our success is measured by others, but our satisfaction is measured by our own soul, mind, and heart. Nothing is permanent. Don't stress yourself too much, because no matter how bad the situation is, it will change. Stop focusing on how stressed you are and remember how blessed you are. So stop focusing on your stress. There are only 2 days in the year that nothing can be done. One is called yesterday and the other is called tomorrow. Today is the right day to love, believe, and do, and mostly live. So live in this present day, today. Life is the most difficult exam. Many people fail because they try to copy others, not realizing that everyone has a different question paper. 4 things you can't recover in life. Number 1, a word after it's said. Number 2, an opportunity after it's missed. And number 3, the life, the time after it's gone. Number 4, trust after it's lost. We are not given a good life or bad life. We are given a life. It's up to us to make it good or bad. What's broken can be mended. What hurts can be healed. And no matter how dark it gets, the sun is going to rise again. Believe it. Ego. Ego is just like dust in the eyes. Without clearing the dust, we can't see anything clearly. So clear the ego and see the world. Conquer the angry man by love. Conquer the ill-natured man by goodness. Conquer the miser with generosity. And conquer the liar with truth by Buddha. If you knew what I know about the power of giving, you would not let a single meal pass without sharing it in some way. You don't meet people by accident. There's always a reason, a lesson, or a blessing. No matter how educated, talented, rich, or cool you believe you are, how you treat people ultimately tells all. Integrity is everything. Mind is not a dustbin to keep anger, hatred, and jealousy, but it is the treasure box to keep love, happiness, and sweet memories. Inner peace begin the moment you choose not to allow another person or event to control your emotions. One who knows himself is never disturbed by what other thinks about him. If you light a lamp for somebody, it will also brighten your path also. No matter how poor you think you are, if you have a loving family, you have everything in the world. Fake people gossip about everyone else. Real people mind their own business. What comes easy won't last. And what lasts won't come easy. So don't feel tired. Don't feel hopeless. Just do your work. Weak people revenge. Strong people forgive. And intelligent people ignore. Pain makes you stronger. And fear makes you braver. Heartbreak makes you wiser. So thank the past for a better future. Feed a dog for 3 days and he will remember your kindness for 3 years. Feed a human for 3 years and he will forget your kindness in 3 days. Everything in your life is a reflection of a choice you have made. If you want a different result, make a different choice. Don't feel bad if people remember you only when they need you. Feel privileged that you are like a candle that comes to their mind when there is a darkness. What is a stress? Stress. It's the gap between our expectations and reality. More the gap, more the stress. So expect nothing and accept everything. So acceptance is more important. What's broken can be mended. What's hurt can be healed. And no matter how dark it gets, the sun is going to rise again. Never believe you are above or below anyone. Keep a humble spirit. These all are the beautiful thoughts of the Gautam Buddha.